Milwaukee pole saw with QUIK-LOK, the power is unbelievable. You get up there, it zips right through the limbs, just like a gas-powered, quickly and efficiently.
The pole saw has enough power to do anything that I need done.
The throttle response of the tool is great. Once you press the trigger, it gives immediate power, starts cutting fast, and gets the job done.
It's helpful to get full throttle right away because you're making contact with that branch and you need that cutting power.
I would say it cut through just as good as any gas powered I've had.
When it comes time to get those branches that are up a little bit higher, you don't have to get on a ladder. You can just put that 3-foot extension on it, adds very little weight to it, and you can reach all those branches. Get the battery on, and you're good to go.
When we use the Milwaukee pole saw with QUIK-LOK, the battery life is unbelievable. The runtime we're getting out of this is just blowing us away, and we're able to put it into a commercial setting. We get over an hour with that cutting branches.
The battery life is outstanding. 45 minutes to an hour. I haven't ran down a battery on a property yet.
One power head and multiple attachments to go in it, the efficiency level just goes through the roof. We're able to switch out from task to task without having to have multiple tools that takes up more space in the truck. The QUIK-LOK system is definitely heavy duty and commercial grade.